Moving during Florida's winter rain and storm season. What you need to know. Florida winters may skip snow, but rain-heavy cold fronts, sudden storms, and slick conditions create very real challenges. The good news, with the right approach, moving in rainy weather in Florida can be smooth, efficient, and stress-free. Florida winter weather risks you can't ignore. Florida's winter storm season brings unique risks that many people underestimate. Trying to push through storms without adjusting your plan often leads to damaged items or rushed decisions. Why Best Miami Movers is built for winter storm moves. Instead of choosing between speed and safety, clients get both. Whether you're moving a studio apartment or a full household, the team adapts the strategy based on weather intensity, item sensitivity, and timing needs. Moving during Florida's winter rain and storm season doesn't have to be risky or chaotic. If you're planning a winter relocation, working with Best Miami Movers means your belongings stay dry, your timeline stays realistic, and your move stays stress-free no matter what the forecast brings. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.